Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use payroll in QuickBooks Online working in 2025 and super easy to follow. Let's get started. First, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, click on payroll in the left hand menu. You land on the overview page. If you're new to this, you'll see setup tasks and shortcuts that guide you through the process. Use the setup guide or watch the intro videos to get started. Now head over to the Employees tab. This is where you'll find your full team list. Click on any employee to view their details or click Add on employee to bring someone new on board. You can even invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce where they can view paychecks, W2S, and time off balances. When it's time to pay your team, just go back to the overview section from here. You can run regular payroll or process a bonus only pay run. It's all right there, quick and clean. For contractors, click on the contractors tab. Here you can track 1099S and new contractors and pay them either via check or direct deposit. QuickBooks also has built-in tools for benefits and HR. You can manage workers' comp pressure, offer employees benefit like health insurance or retirement plans, all through QuickBooks and its partners. And if you're using Premium or Elite Payroll, you'll also get access to an HR advisor for hiring help and policy guidance. Last but not the least, check out the compliance tab. It keeps you in the loop on payroll tax deadlines and state and federal regulations, so you're always up to date. And that is it. That's how you run payroll in QuickBooks Online in 2025. If you found this very helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and made it easy. Thanks.